What's good, YouTube fam? It's early in the morning. Hopefully, it don't stay like this because I got some things to do today. But yeah, we lit, we ready. You ready? Are y'all ready for a cold start? Let me know. So I'm about to get lit right now. Uh-oh, I just fell. Who cares? Let's go. Let's get it. Quick disclaimer, when I shot this video, I had no idea there was gonna be a lot of loud music, copyrighted music, so really couldn't do any interviews, and some of the audio is gonna have to be muted or overtaken by uncopyrighted audio. So unfortunate, but it's not as if anybody started the cars for me or anything like that, but you know, just letting you know beforehand. I'm sorry to disappoint, guys. I also didn't go to the International Car Show this year at the Jacob Javits, and I'm really mad at myself because I heard there was a lot of new stuff, but we'll find another one, and I'll definitely make sure I don't miss the next one. But yet and still, I still got a whole lot of stuff coming for the channel, so stay tuned. Here we go. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy JS392 back with another video. Today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do something special. We're gonna go to a pretty much like a car show. It's called Ripped by the Harbor, or Slammed by the Harbor by Rick's Magazine. It's basically just people, you know, showing up and showing their best. I'm gonna show up and I'm gonna just chill, but we're gonna walk around and see all the different cars and everything, and how everybody got their stuff hooked up and everything. It's gonna be beautiful, man. It's gonna be a lot of different types of cars, muscle cars, tuners, high-end, luxury, exotics, all kinds of stuff, man. So it's gonna be real cool to see all these different cars in one place. And yeah, man, let's check it out. I feel like everybody got one of these, but it's all good. They still fire. Cat Pack A in the area. What's good, bro? Chilling?
Send the Rizzo! Come on, Rizzo!
All right, y'all. There y'all have it. Yeah, man, that was a fun day at the Rick's Magazine show. Again, sorry about the fact that I couldn't interview anybody, but you know, that copyright music thing and YouTube and all that stuff is crazy. But yeah, man, I love coming up to all those car shows and stuff, looking at the new exotics and some of the older ones, and just a lot of people's cars. Honestly, I thought back in the day, before I even went to any of these, that I would geek over all the exotics. But truth be told, for me, it's the old school, you know, lowriders, old school muscle cars that people take from the 70s and the 60s and even the 50s, and they turn them into their own and do some wild craziness with the paint and the interiors. Those cars, to me, really stand out the most. All these new super exotics, they're cool, but I mean, to me, it's like all the same, just low and, you know, crazy design. I like when somebody takes a car and makes it their own. You know, Ferrari's known for like cursing at people for customizing their Ferraris, that it's a perfect work of art as it is. So, you know, that's one thing I definitely take away from going to all these car shows, is that, you know, when people make their car their own, just like what I'm doing with all the mods and stuff, just making it my own. And that's why I love to see in the car community, everybody take their car, put their own little special touch to it. Like, yeah, we got the same car, but we do different things, and it looks like we all have different cars, even though it's the same thing. But yeah, man, let me know what kind of cars you guys like, you know, especially at these car shows. Which ones you prefer to see, which ones like you guys really go geeked out for, and which ones are like you know, and which ones you really thought you were gonna be impressed by when you get to it. You're like, it's not all that. you know. Let's get into it in the chat, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.